In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in DaVinci Resolve. Let's start right at the beginning. Open the DaVinci Resolve app. When it launches, you'll either land on the project manager, the screen with all your project thumbnails, or you'll drop straight into a project you were working on last. If you're already inside a project, look to the bottom right corner of the interface for the small home icon that looks like a house. Click that to return to the project manager. This is where you can see all your projects stored in the currently selected library. Before you delete anything, make sure the project you want to remove is not open. Resolve won't let you delete the project you're currently inside. If it is open, simply open any other project or create a new empty one to exit the target project. That quick detour is just to ensure the one you intend to delete is closed and selectable from the project manager. Now, in the project manager, locate the project you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm the name so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one, especially if you keep multiple versions. When you're certain, right-click the project thumbnail or its name and choose Delete from the menu that appears. This is the standard and most visible way to remove a project from your database. If you prefer using the keyboard, there's a faster option. First, click once to highlight the project you want to delete. Then press Shift plus Backspace. That shortcut performs the same action as the right-click delete command and is great for quickly cleaning up multiple test or temporary projects. Whichever method you use, Resolve will immediately display a warning dialog. It's there to remind you that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Read the prompt carefully, and when you're completely sure, click Delete to confirm. The project will be removed from your current project library. A quick note for clarity: deleting a project removes it from the Resolve database, including its timelines, edits, bins, grades, and settings. It does not delete your original source media files from your drives. Still, if there's even a small chance you'll need the project later, consider exporting a copy or a project archive before you remove it, so you have a backup you can restore at any time. And that's all there is to it. Open Resolve, return to the project manager, make sure the target project is closed, delete it via right-click or the Shift plus Backspace shortcut, and confirm in the pop-up. Clean, simple, and done.